Hi guys, this is Caroline. I'm a Flothemes partner from France. Today I want to create a tutorial for you, flextheme users, on how to use a flex block that was designed for a particular purpose and how we're going to play with it and reshape it to many other different purposes. So for instance, I had my eyes for a very long time on a block. And I decided today that I want to have a really big change on my homepage and I want to get rid of the slideshow that I've had for years. And so we're going to have a play and we are going to make this change together. And then we'll see how this very same block that I will be building for my homepage, I can also design it to make it something very different. Okay, so here we are. I always come on the Flothemes website and I come here on the Flex websites and have a look at the Flex blocks, and I'm looking for inspiration when I don't really know where I want to go. And to be very honest, I have had my eyes on this particular block forever. So I can't tell you how happy I was when Flothemes offered me this partnership. I thought, oh my god, I can play with this block and I can see, if it would look great with my images too, but I couldn't really see how it would fit on my website. So this is what I'm going to do with it, and I want to show you how you can play along with one flex block, and then you can reshape it to your own design, to your own mood, and to whatever purpose you want to give it. So let's go. Right, so here we are on my homepage, and I have had a slideshow since I think I created my first website with Flothemes in 2017, so with a different themes from this one. And I kept the slideshow because I don't think I am able at the moment to pick just the one picture. I would love to, but I'm not able to. And also because my business in photography includes wedding photography, family photography, newborn photography. So I want to be able to show all of this as soon as the client arrives on my homepage. So let's see how we can take this and reshape it with the flex block that I have just chosen. Okay, so here we are on the block that I have just imported in my dashboard. I've just opened the builder and we can see the blank space for my images, and I'm going to try to get the same feeling as I would with a slideshow, but just all of it within this one block. Okay, so I'm going to start right there with the big photo. And so I have different activities for my photography business. I'm doing mainly family photography, but I also have a little bit of weddings. So I want to have just the one image for weddings. And I want this one big image to be the wedding one. So I will pick this. I like the mood of this, and then I'm gonna come right here and I'm gonna show what my vision is about for family photography. And I want to show the little details of everyday life. I want to show I'm gonna pick this one. This one was taken in the old streets of Cannes, and I like the smile of this really cute baby. I would like also to show beach sessions. I'm located on the French Riviera. I'm a girl from the South. I've lived most of my life there. And I love beach sessions. So I want to show that this is something I want to sell. And this is something I want clients to hire me for. So I'm going to pick this. And yeah. Okay. Now, I guess here I would like to have a photo of a family all together, just to make a point again about family portraits. And I want something colorful. No, this is not all together. Where are they? Here. Exactly the kind of sessions I want to do. And I also do a lot of newborns, and we need to see some cute baby here on my homepage. So I want to choose something with color, and yeah, a really cute baby. And okay, maybe yeah, that's it. Okay, so I've selected all my photos and I quite like the look of this. Now this is my homepage, so I want to say, oh, okay, as soon as you come in, I want my identity to be very clear. So rather than having a white background, I might want to have a little bit of color. So here, my theme colors, I've worked on my color palette before. Well, this is the first thing I do when I start a website. So I imported the hex codes within the style font kits in Flothemes. And so this is the color I would like to have for my background. Okay. And I feel this feels like home to me. And I am on my homepage and I want the message to be very clear as soon as the visitor comes in. And now I'm going to add some texts. And I'm going to add a title because I want people to know that they're in the right place if they are looking for a lifestyle photographer. I make the message very clear. And I'm going to come here and choose this. Okay. Couldn't be any clearer. Okay, I'm going to leave it here right now, and I'm going to add the other text, and then I'm going to move it around. Okay, here in this second text box, I want to say, I am Caroline. I am located on the French Riviera and in Geneva, because I used to live in Geneva before and I still have a lot of clients there. So my photography business is really split between those two locations. And I want this to be big, maybe, okay. Perfect, I forgot here. I want this to be my H1 and this will be my H2, okay. And this needs to be white. Perfect. And I'm also going to add a little bit about my vision. So the idea is that somebody who doesn't know my work and comes on my homepage with this first block should be able, between the words and the images, to say, okay, I like or I don't like, but at least the message is very clear. So I capture everyday life details, candid moments of life, big and small events. Right. I'm gonna send to this tag, and I'm gonna choose my quote font for this, and I'm gonna choose this color for my color palette. Okay, now, okay, let's hide this. How is that? I might just take this down a little bit. Okay. This I'm not gonna move, and I'm gonna make this go, yeah, here. Okay. Perfect. And now I can say, okay, I'm happy with this. This is my block one of my homepage, and I can save. Okay, guys, welcome here on this second version of this flex block. So as you can see here, I have now changed it into a category block. I could have this on my homepage, and so this is to invite people to scroll over the images, and each image links, as you can see here, to the related page of this service that I provide. So I had a little bit of fun with the images. These are all the services I provide. So family, maternity, portrait, weddings, and newborn photography. And here is the web design. Everything is covered. I came back to a white background to keep it simple, since it would be in the middle of my homepage. And yeah, straight to the point, easy to read, easy to show what you do and the services you provide, and it has a very strong signature in terms of design, and as well in terms of color palette and portfolio. So this is option number 2, and we're going to start working on a third option, which would be an invitation to a portfolio located within a portfolio page. So let's go. Okay, so I have designed a third option. This will be located within one of my services page. So here we would be on my family photography page, and I will show you the block that I used to have, and this could be an alternative. So again, I want to showcase my family photography, and I want to give different examples. And I want to invite people to go to my portfolio, which is a different page from the one we're located on right now. So here are the images. This is an invitation to my portfolio. And here I can shorten this and say click here, and that's it, ready to save. So third option, I will show you right now how it looks within the page. Okay, so here on my portfolio and family photography, so this is the page, and this is what it looks like. So this is my vision about photography, and this is an experience block. And here it comes, invitation to my portfolio. And I think it fits rather well within the page. So yeah. This is our number 3 reading of this flex block. We had the alternative to slideshow, then we had the categories, and now we have the portfolio link. And I'm going to finish with yet another 4th idea. Okay, we are for this 4th suggestion on how to play around with this layout. We are here within my blog section, and we are coming in my latest blog post, which is about natural kids portraits. And this is what I have created as an intro to my blog post. So this is my title, Natural Kids Portraits. And I wanted to showcase very strong images to feature in this blog post. And then just below, start the blog post. But rather than having just the one plain image, this could be also something very striking. You come in, you have a title, you have this layout, and it's beautiful, and it's a very strong invitation to read the blog post. So these were the 4 suggestions that I had for you, and the main point about this tutorial is to show you how flexible the flex themes are and how it's simple to be very creative and to have personalized websites with your flex themes. So I hope you enjoyed this, and speak to you soon.